Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
We know it's hard to wait, but have a little restraint and you'll be well rewarded. After removing your cake from the oven, let it cool slightly in the pan until the top feels firm. This gives the cake a chance to finish baking from within and acclimate itself to room temperature.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
During baking, don't open the oven door during the first half of cooking time, as this can cause cakes to sink. If cakes are over browning, cover loosely with foil. Bake until golden and a skewer inserted in the center of cake comes out clean.
Take our lead.
Cakes usually sink when the cake batter is not completely cooked. Everyone's ovens are different, so you need to find the optimum baking time for your own oven. If a skewer inserted into the cake doesn't come out clean, then bake the cake for a little longer.
Take our lead.
If a cake is overbrowning, then the oven temperature could be too hot, as the cake cooks from the outside in, burning the outside before the middle cooks. Or you could loosely cover the cake top with foil to protect it only for last half of cooking time. The cake does need to create a crust first.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
How long to cool a cake before icing it? Our recommendation on how long to cool a cake before icing it is to wait 2 to 3 hours for your cake to cool completely. Then add a crumb coat and refrigerate the cake for up to 30 minutes. Once that is done, you'll be able to ice until your heart's content.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.